Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to create a private Discord text and voice channel. So first what you want to do is create a voice channel. So let's create a text channel first. So I'm gonna name it private text channel. So just like so. Once you're done with that, click on the private channel option here. So after that, click on next. And here you could add the members or roles that you want to access this particular channel. So for this, if let's say I want only the member role to access this channel, I'm just gonna click on that. And also if I want to add the bot to access this channel, I'm gonna also click on that particular bot. Once you're done with that, you can now click on create channel. So same goes for the voice channel. So I'm gonna create a channel, go to voice, so private voice, just like so, and click on the private channel again, click on next. I'm gonna also add the same members that could access it and create channel. So as you can see, these are only, so the members here on this particular channel is only me, the Hydra, and the member. So if we want to add it, let's say go to add a channel here on the gear icon, go to permissions. So of course, Hydra can access this since it is the administrator. I gave the administrator role, so basically all of the administrator and of course the server owner can access this role. And also the ones that you added. So I've added the member role. So as you can see here, that's why the member has access to this. And for everyone, it is set to, the view channel is set to disabled. So basically they cannot view the channel. They won't even know that this channel exists since of course they cannot see this particular channel. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.